All right, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the Sony A7R II, and I got it used for a really good price from Adorama. And I am today going to do a little cleaning up to it, kind of a bunch of accessories I'm going to show you guys. And first things first, this screen here, this has got to go. I saw this on a few other videos where you can basically remove it. If you look really close in the corner there, focus Fuji, it's a protective screen that you can peel up. You have to get in there with like an X-Acto knife or a razor blade or something. Just sort of peel it up all the way around. It's really tough once you get it up. So I'm gonna just show you guys and take you through this with me. And I'm currently recording on my Fuji Xt2 with the, which lens is this? It's one of the old kit lenses. It's the 16 to 50 XC lens. Nothing super special, but just enough to get the job done. I'll show you guys the accessories I picked up for the camera once we get this screen swapped out, and here we go. This is gonna be very tedious because I don't want to scratch the glass. I don't want to cut the glass. I don't want to break the glass. We got our screen off, and as you can see, aside from my nasty oily thumbprints, that is a totally restored, great, brand new, beautiful new screen. So yeah, awesome. Next up is to get on the new screen. Look at that. Looks good to me. All right, so we're gonna wipe this screen, clean it up a little bit, and then get it on there. Oh, that was perfect. It's on there. Perfect. Yes. All right. A little business. Let's see how this looks. You can see my dog on the screen there. Trees. Okay. Yep, that looks good to me. Yeah, we're rocking and rolling now. Look at that screen. Just need to wipe it off a little bit, but geez Louise, love it. All right, mission complete.